We're at Herotech's main manufacturing building here in Auburn Hills, Michigan, setting up for the X Factory.
The X Factory is all about taking today's technology and showcasing what the art of the possible is.
So the X Factory is actually a mini factory that produces real mini computers.
Users can actually step through step by step from design through to things like QA and packaging of how an actual product is designed in a modern manufacturing environment.
So we are showcasing over 15 to 20 different use cases that pertains to Industry 4.0. We have operator use cases where we do assembly operations. We also have use cases around material handling, tracking of materials, and of course this is a factory, so we're measuring productivity metrics at each of the stations, which is a combination of availability, productivity, performance of the lines, as well as the quality produced by the line. So this X Factory actually allows us to demonstrate all these capabilities.
Partners are key to our success. We couldn't have done this without them.
Everything from the actual computers running things at the edge through to controllers and PLCs throughout the actual process are all provided by a whole ecosystem of partners bringing this technology together.
We worked with Herotech, we provided the facility, but in addition provided the technologies through their mobile robot to do some of the material orchestration that we are showcasing in this demo.
The mobile robot, it's definitely one of the backbones of the X Factory. Without it, we would have to resort to either manually transporting bins back and forth or a very basic AGV solution.
I'm really excited about bringing all these years of PTC expertise that our collective team has and combining that with our latest and greatest technology and effectively show the entire digital thread. So from engineering all the way down to manufacturing. The ability to have one demonstrator and showcase to bring everything that PTC does in one place, I think is fantastic.